Bebuti Nga at Bongga Kada ay ilan lang sa mga biggest hits ng hotdog. Yung Bebuti Nga is considered as a revenge song ng mga hopeless romantic na hindi pinapansin. Written in playful way and medyo true to life daw, according to the late hotdog frontman Rene Garcia.
Yun namang Bongga Kaday is the ultimate 70s fashionista anthem that was inspired by the fashionable and stylish sisters of Dennis and Lene Garcia.
Yes, simula pa lang yan kayo, ituloy pa natin ang Manila Sound by kasama ang leading men ng upcoming na pinaka-bonggang musical ng taon, Bongga Kaday. Here are Sam Concepcion, Jeff Moses, Anthony Rosado, and Katie Estrada, the BKD Boys.
Kakaday na album na nilabas na ng Viva Records, featuring the timeless hits of Hotdog, interpreted and reimagined by some of the country's biggest and rising young artists.
Wow.
Yes. Itong album na to is like taking a down memory lane dahil sigurado kami maraming kayo maaalala pag binalikan nyo ang mga pinasikat na kanta ng Hotdog. Oo. Kagaya ng Ikaw ang Miss Universe ng buhay ko na sumikat noong 1974 during the Miss Universe pageant na ginawa dito sa atin.
Oh, yun pala yun, no?
Yes.
Very memorable. Pero alam niyo guys, meron akong trivia. Alam niyo, sa pagkakaalam ko sinulat yan para sa mga walang Miss Universe sa buhay nila.
Wow!
Sado, alam mo yung tipong kapag na-in-love ka sa isang babae, kahit di siya sumali sa beauty pageant, siya na yung forever mo.
Wow!
Sarap naman.
Actually, Anthony, maraming romantic songs ng Hotdog na maliban sa mga kanta pang disco, very 70s. Yung mga kinanta natin kanina were all a part of the Manila Sound na kinabaliwan ng mga Pinoy, not only for their distinct melodies, pero pati ng mga controversial na lyrics at na may kilig at kurot sa puso, ganun.
Ano yung kurot?
Oh!
Lalo na yung Langit na naman.
Oh, I love that song.
Oo.
Yes.
Nabalita ko. May personal meaning para sa Hotdog. Mamaya malalaman natin.
Ano kaya yun?
Oo, malalaman
Yes.
kung bakit. Mamaya malalaman natin. We know that all of you cannot get enough of the music legend Hotdog. Kaya naman, we are here to give you more. Kaya enjoy lang kayo dyan. Sit back, relax. O kung gusto nyo makisayaw sa amin, we would love that. Mamaya, yun ang goal namin to have everybody standing up and dancing with us. And join us as we honor the pioneer of Manila Sound. Yes. Let's go. Let's go. Ani Batong Bakal herself, yun na for Atasha Pura!
Maraming salamat.
May tanong kami sa'yo.
Ano?
Yung totoo
Hala.
may first love ka na ba?
Siyempre naman makikita niyo po sa musical, so abangan kung sino ang first love. Pero in all seriousness, ang totoong first love ko ay itong ginagawa natin. Kaya naman, I'm really honored to be part of this tribute concert for one of the country's most celebrated and iconic bands, ang Hotdog. Siyempre naman, round of applause for Hotdog. At para bigyang buhay ang mga kanta nila sa isang musical is really, truly a dream come true.
Ay nako, kaya nga sinabi ko kanina, and I always say this kasi gusto ko spread the word, abangan niyo po ang Bongga Kaday dito rin po sa Newport Performing Arts Theater because it's one musical you should never miss.
Totoo yan.
Uy, pero may tanong ko nga ulit.
Okay, sige.
Sige daw.
Sam, sino bang first love mo?
Sorry.
Ay, sagutin mo na, Sam.
Ikaw na lang sumagot.
Ako,
Ikaw.
actually yung first love ko, ikaw na muna sumagot, KD.
Ay, sige, may pupuntaan pa ako.
Uy, ewan ko na
Hindi,
sa...
pero back to you, Atasha.
Oo nga, oo.
Nako po, ewan ko na sa inyo. Basta, may tagyawat ba ako sa ilong?
Hindi, walang course to eh, walang
O,
course.
diba?
Walang kapulis.
Wala naman. Basta ang alam ko, First Love was written by the great Dennis Garcia for his wife, popularized by Ella Del Rosario.
Sweet.
Kaya, ano mo, Tasha, balang araw may magsusulat din ng kanta para sa'yo.
First love.
Siyempre, wish ko lang and anyways, more Hotdog hits are on the way. So let's welcome on stage, Wilbert Ross!
Hotdog. Hi guys. Ako nga pala si Wilbert Ross at magandang gabi po sa lahat, sa inyo lahat. This next song It's another hit by the Garcia Brothers na ilang ulit ng ginawa ng cover version. At I'm lucky enough na gumawa din ang kapal na mukha ko para sumunod dun sa JR, Agot Isidro, grabe. Pero I'm so honored na maglabas ng version din sa kantang to. And actually, ang kantang to ay nag-launch ng kanyang career back in 1993 kay... Sorry, pabalik na po. Yan! Cover version including kay Agot Isidro. Actually, ang kantang to ang nag-launch ng kanyang career back in 1993. Kaya pag kinanta ko to ngayong gabi, sana swertehin din ako gaya ni Miss Agot na mag-launch din ang aking career. Hotdog fans, medyo masakit to
Dispatchadora, lahat nakaka-relate. Yung kinanta ko kanina, that's a true story. Dennis and Rene wrote that. It's a story about a guy who was ignored and probably unattractive. Tapos meron siyang naging hit song, naging superstar siya, and then all of a sudden the girl wanted him back. So, true story yon. Para na kayo mag-guess kung sino yon. So, to our superstars, Dennis and Rene, wherever you are, talagang langit na naman to give life to your masterpieces. And I think our next performer will definitely agree with me. Ladies and gentlemen, ang siga ng hotdog, Maso Diaz.
Another warm applause. We should just sing it like an angel. Thank you, Audrey, for bringing a new vibe and feel to this beautiful song.
Naku, Miss Gina, ako po yung dapat magpa-thank you sa inyo dahil for giving me this opportunity to sing with you here on stage at para po magkaroon din ng version ko ng Panaginip. Alam niyo po, it's an honor for me kasi this is one of my favorite hotdog songs talaga. And I remember the first time I listened to it sa isang movie na fell in love agad ako. Like, parang sabi ko, ang ganda, nakaka-love yung song. And doing this right now with you, having my own rendition, it's I feel so blessed and honored po. So thank you po.
Thank you once again, Audrey. Ladies and gentlemen, Audrey Karan.
Miss Gina.
Thank you. And at this point, I'd like to call Miss Maso Diaz and Rita Trinidad to help me. Here.
Hi, Jeans.
Here we are.
Why are we so formal?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Now we're going to do.
All right, Reeds. You gotta read off your thing. Yeah, that's your
Since
thing.
magkasama na rin tayo, why don't we give something special to our very receptive audience?
Receptive audience now. So how about a round of applause? I can't hear you. How about a cheer? Mismo. Okay. Aba, dapat lang ay cheer. Anyway, the musical genius of Dennis and Rene started out at a very young age. Teenager pa lang sila. They were into a lot of Beatles, a lot of Rolling Stones, a lot of rock music. But even then, they listened to all and enjoyed all music genres. So for Dennis, I got this from Pam. I texted Pam kanina sa Pam, paano ba tong kantang to? How do I talk about this song? And she told me the very first song Dennis wrote was this one. Okay, the beat is very different. It's ragtime. I don't know how many are young people here? Raise your hands. Mga bagets, raise your hands. Wala.
Naku, puro barkada yata natin to.
Hi, friends.
Friends and family.
All right. Back in the day, uso yung mga busisan, harmony, right? And so, Dennis wrote this song because it's the first time that he wrote English and Tagalog lyrics together, di ba? So, it's called ragtime music. So, if this was released in the 70s at the height of Miss Universe and Purse Lab. Anyway, tika muna, magka-costume kami. Okay lang ba magka-costume kami?
May costume change.
Mukha na ba akong ano? Maglalaba? Okay, sige. Alright, we're ready. What we need for you to join the band, and put your hands together. Can you do that? Sige, here we go.
We could record a song. Sabi niya, uy Miles, may gusto akong ipakanta sa'yo. Parang bagay sa'yo. So we recorded the song. Siya pa nga yung nag-second voice sa akin, si Tito Rene. Siya pa yung gumawa ng areglo, iniba niya yung areglo. But then, sabi niya sa akin, Miles, alam mo, sana balang araw makanta natin to. Makanta mo ito. But unfortunately, I never had a chance to sing this song with him. So tonight, I would like to fulfill that wish in my own little way. Para po sa inyong lahat, lalo na sa iyo, Tito Rene, here's saan ka na kaya ngayon.
Kantahin ang pinasikat na kanta ng Hotdog. Nakakataba po talaga ng puso. Kaya we would like to express our gratitude to the following for making this Manila, the Hotdog tribute concert possible. For the official venue partner, Newport Performing Arts Theater, maraming salamat. Holiday Inn Express, syempre salamat sa Botiju, Wing Zone, sa Yogarino, sarap. Sa official media partners, People's Journal, People's Tonight, PBO, Viva Cinema, Sari Sari Channel, TMC Tagalized Movie Channel, Celestial Movies, Pinoy, Pika Pika. This is a production of Viva Artists Agency Live and Front Row Theater Entertainment, directed by Paul Basinilio. Palakpakan naman natin lahat. Maraming salamat din po sa aming Viva family, sa mga boss, Boss Vic, Boss Veronica, Boss Val, Boss Verb, you know. Viva Live, Viva One, and Viva Records family, maraming salamat. And going back to Hotdog, Manila is indeed the mother of all Hotdog hits and one of the defining songs of the Manila sound. Kung may I left my heart in San Francisco at New York, sabi ng Hotdog, bakit walang sariling kanta tungkol sa Manila, di ba? Thanks to the genius of Dennis and Rene Garcia, palakpakan naman natin ang sumulat ng kantang ito. Grabe. Mabuhay ang walang kamatayang Manila, and the rest is history. Kumpitin pa kayo sa mga naririnig niyong Hotdog hits. Here's more from Adi. Yeah.